Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a wellness program with Calm, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a wellness program with Calm, start by logging into your Calm account. If you don't have one, sign up on their website or app. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Look for the Programs section. Click on Programs to explore the available options. Choose a wellness focus that resonates with your goals, such as stress relief or mindfulness. Take a moment to read the descriptions of each program. Select a program that fits your needs. Next, click on the program to get detailed information. Review the duration and session breakdown for the program. Once you've selected a program, click on Start Now. Make a note of your preferred schedule for the sessions. Commit to a regular time each day for consistency. Set reminders on your phone or calendar to stay on track. As you begin, find a quiet space where you can fully engage with the sessions. Start with the first session and follow along with the guided instructions. Take note of any techniques that resonate with you. Feel free to pause and reflect as needed. After completing a session, consider journaling your thoughts and feelings. This can enhance your understanding and progress throughout the program. Continue to engage with each session as outlined in the program. Monitor your mood and stress levels during this time. Adjust your schedule if necessary to better fit your lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key to benefiting from your wellness program. As you progress, explore additional features in the Calm app, like sleep stories or music. These can complement your wellness program and enhance your overall experience. Review your journey periodically to see how far you've come. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Let Calm be your guide to a more mindful and balanced life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.